Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The Zontes 350M has a hidden, actually not activated, hidden electric light here at the front central. So when you buy the bike it won't be activated, so this just shows you how to activate it. It's nice and easy and simple to do. Just one push pin under the right side cover. Once you take the back plate off and move it out of the way, you can pull out the connector block. It's hidden in its protective cover, and there is one red wire in there that is not connected. You've got hold of it now, you see there's a red wire in there that needs connecting to the connector block opposite it. And you can see there, you just connect it now into that place there. Once that is connected, that's all you have to do. Just make sure it's pushed right in. Then put everything back as he's going to show you here. And that's it, job done. Once you switch the bike on now, that central light will be activated on the bike. Lovely at night time. Please like, subscribe, join our journey. This is only in Chinese, so I've told you how to do it myself as well. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. He's just going to show you now. He's put it all back together. And when he turns the bike on, that central light at night time, all that will be white activated light.